Hello guys and welcome back. It's time to create our own ERC20 token. This is the interface a fully ERC20 compliant token must implement. There are 6 functions and 2 events. It's not mandatory to implement all 6 functions, but at least the first 3 functions must be implemented. So we'll create a new contract, our token contract. Let's say we create a token named Cryptos that derives from the ERC20 interface. So is ERC20 interface. Now my contract must implement all functions and events from this interface. Here I have written contract. This is an abstract contract and can be very easily an interface because no function has implementation and there is no state variable and no constructor defined. So we can change contract with interface if we want. Our token will include further information describing the token contract. So let's create a variable of type string that holds the name of our token named Cryptos. Then we can have a string, a public string named symbol. This will be the symbol of the token, like ETH is for Ether. So let's say CRPT. This will be the symbol of our new token. And many tokens have a variable named decimals. How many decimals there are? So a uint variable named decimals. Many tokens have a value of 18 decimals, but for our example we'll use the number of 0 here. So our token has no decimal. If we want, we could simply write here a value. Keep in mind that 18 is the most common number of decimal places. Now we define another variable of type uint named supply. Supply means how many tokens there are. How many tokens will this contract create? We also declare a variable of type address named founder. This is the address of the account that deploys the contract, that creates the tokens. Any Ethereum address can hold a number of Cryptos token. So I'll save the number of Cryptos token of any Ethereum address in a mapping variable. So we have a mapping variable with keys of type address and values of type uint. This is a public variable named balances. Here I'll save the balance of every Ethereum address. By default, every Ethereum address will have 0 Cryptos, because by default this value will be 0, as we've discussed in other examples. In the next lecture, we'll see how we implement the first functions that are mandatory for any ERC20 token. See you soon!